Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that's not what will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that'll make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 83, Nasdaq up 32, S&P's up 2.5, gold up $5.90, trading at $15.75 an ounce. Silver up 10 cents, $17.56 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 23 cents, $53.24 a barrel. Oil numbers came out this morning, folks. Monster oil numbers. They had a build of almost 4 million barrels. Market was looking for a lot less. So oil's really not getting that smoked for the amount of build that we had out there. But 53.25, that's where we're at. You get volume. Oil looks like it wants to get out of the bottom of this consolidation, which is around the $50 level. Notes and bonds. Bottom line, higher price, lower yield. You have the 10-year right now up 14 ticks, trading 131.01. The 30-year up a full point plus 1 tick at 162.10. And as I said, they did reject lower price out here this morning. Charging forward once again. The 10-year just broke 1.6. We're at 1.59. King dollar is flat out here at 98.027. The euro is at 110. The yen is at 109. And the pound is at 130 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. And the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get the bounce continuing out here. You get volume drying up dramatically. So that is saying that bottom line, I expect we're going to try to test these highs. Set up really nice. What I mean by that is this, is that when we came down, folks, on the SPY, it came down with 87 million. It came down with 84 million. Yesterday, we went up with 63. And we're not going to do 63 today. Right now, we're at 30. That's saying more than likely, I can probably put 20 million in at the close, but you can see the contraction that's happening. After the close out here today, you're going to have a lot of equities that are coming out with numbers. This week alone, 145 equities in the S&P report. Big numbers, too. Big equities, rather. After the close today, what we're going to have out here, you're going to get, let's see, full market today. Yeah, okay, so we got MasterCard, McDonald's, let's see, no, Microsoft. Am I right? Let me just look at this for a second. Was it after the close? Yeah, okay, so Microsoft, PayPal, Tesla, and Facebook. Bottom numbers. Big numbers. There's no two ways about that. When we go take a look at Facebook right here, Facebook's already up $5.58. Big number. This is at an all-time high. When you talk about print money, this is going. So this is going to be really intriguing. This NDX 100 is going to basically really shoot up. We have Facebook right now. This is pushing into its high with volume. And it's going to be, let's see, 220. It's an ABC up. It's already a confirmed ABC up. So check this out. This is pretty intense. Your B point on this is 222. Your A point is 203. So you got basically a 19.8 to B. So that's saying that 19, 29, 31. 231 is the A to B equals C to D. We're at 223. So that's another 10 points. Microsoft, let's go to Microsoft. Oh, this is going to be wild watching this if Microsoft's doing the same thing. It is. So, Microsoft, 168.84 we hit. Okay, Microsoft's going to need more volume. Microsoft might not be an ABC up. In fact, well, we'll see what kind of volume we'll put in at the close. Microsoft would need quite a bit of volume. It doesn't look like it's going to get it. Microsoft would need another 9 million shares at the close to do an ABC up. So the way that I suspect it can go higher, but it's not an ABC up. That's the real bottom line. Tesla. Let's go take a look at Tesla. This is, of course, been on a run, extraordinary run. Tesla all-time high is 594. You're at 586. And that wants to go test 594 at least. Yeah, that's the way that's set up, man. So if we go now let's look at the NDX 100. We take a look at the NDX 100. What you're going to see with the NDX is that we are up 94 cents. You did 20 million shares. And so this is going to be interesting. We get the divergence out here kind of goes like this, okay? Bottom line is that the Qs want to test the high. You're 222 right now. And it looks to me like the Qs will have the same amount of volume as yesterday. Yesterday we did 26 million. We're 20 million right now. They can put 6 million into that in a heartbeat. Gold. Let's go take a look at the gold market out here. What do you have with the gold market? Gold market right now, rejected lower price out here this morning. Traded down to 1562. You're at 1575. Nice setup. Gold is still in a complex ABC structure on the way up with a price projection of 1704. Silver needed a bid. It needs a lot more than 9 cents. Silver came down 50 cents yesterday. That being said, what silver did do today is that it rejected lower price at $17.28. You're trading out at $17.55. It was going right against the strength that was developed out here on December 23rd as well as 24th. So silver does want higher price. And note and bonds, this is going to be the number out here. I'm going to do the 30-year first. Bottom line, what you're going to see inside this 30-year, as well as the 10, is that the 30-year today came down to 160.27. Bottom line, you're up almost 2 points from that level. This is a big move. And notes as well as bonds look to me like, guess what? We're going to go after the highs once again inside the note and bond market. If you take a look at the 10-year got down to 130.13. That also rejected lower price. Well, man, they look just like each other. There's no doubt. And they went topside. And the 30-year right now, we are at 1.586. That's the bottom line, 1.586. So, we get the Fed out here. I believe it's the Fed meeting was today, right? They are meeting today with, let me see. Yeah, we'll come right back with that. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the markets, folks, the bottom line is that you get higher price out in the Dow. The NASDAQ, S&Ps just went into the red. Basically, it's down 1. Coming right back.